What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing 2 simple cornrows going down. I was gonna do knotless box braids, but my boyfriend told me I do those too much.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
So we're gonna start by parting my hair. Oh, and I deep conditioned my hair yesterday, and I had it in a braid ever since. So wait, I might have to do this in the bathroom. That just took me like 20 minutes, and it's not perfect, but I did it by myself, so don't judge me. So now that we have that, let me back up a little so y'all could see. We'll do this side first. I'm gonna add some type of moisturizer so my hair isn't like, you know, dry. I'm not gonna add a lot, just like this much. Especially over like where all the gel's about to go. So like here, I'm about to put mad gel there. That, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I love the smell of this. If you don't already have this or ever tried it, 10 out of 10. 100 out of 10. Oh my gosh. Brush it out. Ow. I add the big pieces to the bottom because I'm grabbing that last, and the small pieces on the top because that's what I'm grabbing first. So just a little heads up, that's why I do that. Okay, I'm gonna start over. I like started it, but we're gonna start over because I didn't like how it was coming out. Start a little piece actually, so it could be more defined. I started with a bigger piece and it just did not look good. So I'm gonna start with a little piece and braid my natural hair for a little bit before I start adding pieces. So just normally braiding. It's kind of hard to see. Normally braiding my hair. I sound weird because my neck is like all curled up, but so I'm gonna braid my natural hair first. Yeah, I'm gonna add it in here. So I just basically put the left under to go into the middle, and that's when I'm gonna add it into that exact spot. Like the left and middle, if that makes sense. So now it's in the left and middle place, and I'm about to go with my right and make it go to the under part, middle part, sorry. I'm going under, but you know what I mean. So now those 2 pieces are the left and right, if that makes sense. So okay, no, then I'm on the right side again, going under. I'm gonna make it go under. Why is this unfocusing? And now that I just went under, I'm gonna add another piece to the left and middle part. I hope I'm explaining this good. You have this, and you're gonna put it, and that's going right where your left and middle piece are. You're pinching it in between your fingers, like if it's your natural hair, and then you're just gonna braid like normal. Right goes under into the middle. Then again, you're gonna do the left. Under into the middle. Oh, gotta make sure you have it all aligned good. Okay, then right under, left, sorry. Right after you do that, that's when you grab a new piece. Boom. Put it under like if it's your natural hair. Want to make sure you always have it detangled so it could be nice and neat. Oh, look at all that hair that sheds. Now I'm gonna add another piece under. You put it under to make it look very seamless as well, if that makes sense. So you put it under. I'm gonna keep showing what I'm doing because I don't want to talk too much. As you see, I'm getting lower and lower to the bottom. That's a good thing because I have 2 last small pieces. Then I'm getting to like the bottom, and that's when I'm gonna start adding like the bigger pieces so it could become thicker. Okay. Get a little sideburn out. Okay, I'm about to add a big piece. I'm gonna just add some gel because it's getting really dry down here. Boom. Add a thick piece. Behind. Pinch it. Make sure it's neat. And take your time with this. It's my first time doing this too, so if I'm doing something wrong. I think that's gonna be the last piece. I don't want it too thick. Grab some mousse so I don't keep using gel. And since it's getting thicker, it just makes sense. I'm just adding mousse to each leg of the braid. It's actually making it easier to braid, so believe it or not. This took me 17 minutes to do one. Alright guys, I never did an outro for my braids. I never did an outro for my braids. I have a little cold. I don't have COVID though. But anyways, I did these little curls at the end with a little pencil, and I think it looks cute. And I took out some hair. I did a lot of stuff. That's why I hate recording doing my hair, because I'm very indecisive. But this is the final look, and I'm sorry I didn't record this side, but I was struggling. And yeah, this is my boyfriend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like I said earlier, oh no, that was in my vlog. You're annoying. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Bye guys. Say bye to them.
Put the needle on the record.